How to download PDF from Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for Chrome Web Store. Then just simply open up the very first link and this is where it will take you. Now you need to search for FindGrab in the search bar and this is where it will take you. Over here you should be able to find this one, the FindGrab.app by FindGrab.app, and it is actually for the Google Drive and not for the auto opener. Just simply open up the first one and it has good ratings also. Just simply add it on your Chrome and it will be added as an extension, and all you have to do is just open up the PDF file on your Google Drive. After that, open up the extension of FindGrab. Then you would be able to see the option to download the PDF this way. Just simply click on PDF and it should be downloaded in your PC. And this is how easy it is to use this particular extension. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.